So finding your online work while you're working from home is really easy. So the first thing you need to do on your device is to go to the Kitty Kitty High School website. And when you're here, go down to the bottom right-hand corner and you'll see you've got a squashed orange box, which takes you to Office 365, or you've got a spider. Please click on the spider. Now this is going to take you to PC School Spider. Now some of you may have used this before. Students use it a lot for keeping a track on their credits and for their attendance as well. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to sign in as a student. You need to sign in with your school username and your school password. And you're going to find yourself here on your home page. Now you'll see I'm logged in as Louise. Thanks, Louise. Now, no timetables found for today, but that's because we're on holidays. So if you use these arrows and click through, you'll see that when school is starting, which is on the 15th, all your timetable will be up there. And this is your timetable for school. Now, these do not link you to anything. They're just a really nice visual indicator. If you want to find what your classes are and what set work you have, you need to click on Calendar. So when you click on Calendar, it takes you here. This will give you a month calendar and you'll see that you have school events, which is in blue, and anything like holidays will be in red, and any class homework you've got is all in orange. And this will take the work of every single one of your class. So if you're going to see this student has ESOL first, then Hospitality Essentials, then Performing Arts Tech, and finally Music. Now these are small little breakdowns of the lesson, but if you click on them, it gives you a bigger list of what's happening for your lesson. So this is Hospitality Essential Knife Skills, and you know that it's Mr. Hart, and he's asked you to watch the following video. So if this is not a link, you can just copy this, Control C, open up a new page in your browser, and up here, which we call the Omnibox, Control V, and then it will take you to the video that Mr. Hart wants us to watch. So he wants you to watch the basic knife cut skills. Now if you go back to your PC School, you can exit that lesson and you can go to another one. You'll see here the Performing Arts lesson has a little attachment. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So this is referring to crooks, and she's got all the information here. You've also got a link to a Zoom meeting. So if you wanted to join the Zoom meeting, you will just, you want to copy it all, just like you did for the YouTube video, Control Copy and open it up in a new little window. But you'll also see that there's a design brief here. Now this is a link. So if you click on this link, it will take you to another window, and the work that your teacher wants you to have a look at is in here. So we wait as my internet loads, and you're going to find some, here we go, it's a 15-page PDF of a design challenge. So that's really interesting, and that's all there for you. Now it will always remain here, so if you exit out of it, you can always find it again. It's all through there. And then you've got your music, so you can click on music and you can see all the work from Pink Floyd, and that's referring to McGlinchey. Now every day you'll come into your class and you'll find you'll have lessons on every one of your school days. And so you're going to be able to work through your day looking at the things that are expected of you. Some days you'll have lots of work, some days you'll have independent work. Some teachers will do things differently and have all your lessons all laid out for a couple of weeks. Some teacher may put them in day by day. It just depends on how the teacher works. But now you know how to access it. So remember, that's through PC School Spider and the calendar section.